Welcome to a super effective training to get out your head and back in your body and feel great and get in state. My name's Tristan Truscott. I've been a martial arts instructor for over 30 years now, and I love something called Qigong. It means energy work. It's an internal martial art. It's a moving meditation, and it's my go-to. It gets me out of my funk when my head is getting wonky. I've been working too much. I'm stressing out, busy monkey mind. You ever get that? We all get it. What's a quick way that we can get back not only in our body, but in our hearts? I know, I said it, in your heart, that place of love. Why not? Well, let me show you something that's based off this ancient practice called the microcosmic orbit. It's this circular flow of energy, also known as life force, chi, or prana as the yogis call it, and it works with your breathing and a little cool movement called spinning the orbit. Kind of goes like this, up, out, and down. So here's what's going on. When you're getting in your head and you're really like, if you use your body and you use your breath, you can pull the awareness of the brain back into its natural state, and you can get more in your physiology. You'll start to feel more grounded. And that's an important feeling, especially when, I don't know what you do for your work or what have you, but if you're too in your head, you're just not present, and you can't be effective, you can't be productive, you can't be creative, you can't sleep, all that. So check it out. My hands come up like this. I'm just going to show you the basics, then we'll do it together. They go out and they go down. Not so hard, right? Now do that with your breath. Breathe in. That was one inhalation. Breathe out. Now I have some students, they're like, hey, Sensei Tristan, I cannot breathe in one breath like that. All good. Take two breaths. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And at the top, just give me a little pause, just a moment of no mind and no breath, and then let it drop. Now, we're going to add to this. If you can, and everyone's body is different, I get that, you can do this sitting, but if you can stand, when your hands come up, go on your tippy toes. Now, also you're giving your mind a job. You're saying, hey, busy mind, focus on this. You see what your attention is down in your feet, right? Like that gets you out your head alone. But to balance, it's very hard to be in your head and worry when you're trying to balance. So that's one piece that's super cool. Now check this out. Watch my feet. They're going to drop, and you see my hands come into the camera? That's me dropping my energy, grounding it towards the earth. Now I take this earth energy. I know it gets a little like, hey, energy, what? Well, just be open-minded. Pull this chi, or this feeling, if you will, up through your body. Through your body, up, through the top of your head. Go up on your toes, it comes around, and drop. Okay, I got to explain one more thing to you. That's physical, that's mechanical. Now you have to bring your mind in. That's what makes Qigong work. You have to visualize energy and breath going up your back. It's called the Dume channel. Coming over the top of your head, crown chakra, Ba Hui. Dropping it down the front. For those of you that like the technical terms, Renmei. Underneath, under the perineum, back up. So this is done with my mind. I'm visualizing chi flowing up, over, and down. Some people see it as water flowing. Some see it as energy. I like golden white light. All right, so you start here. This is the whole thing. We're going to do it together. Check in. Okay, calibrate. Yeah, I'm in my head. All right, cool. Breathe. Work this thing. Open your legs. Bounce and shake a little. Just get here. This is helpful. Do this first. Bounce those heels. All right, check it. Breathe out. Breathe in. Here we go. Up, up, up. Visualize up your back. Come up on those toes, even if it's a little wobbly. And drop. Breathe out. Pull it in. Keep flowing. Eventually we won't stop at the bottom. We'll go right into the up. Keep it flowing, keep it flowing. So this movement, you're spinning the orbit. That's what it's called. Come up, straighten the legs, balance. There's a lot going on, I get it, but you'll get it. Breathe in, 1 or 2 breath cycles. Remember at the top, there's just a little pause of the breath, but not of the hands. They keep moving. Let's just do the breathing. Breathing in. Strong breath. Okay, one more like that, and then we're going to do it just total flow, no drop. Your body might feel like it's unwinding tension a little. Getting here, getting grounded. Now just flow. Just flow your arms up. You can close your eyes. It feels really good. That way you can visualize better. Beautiful energy flowing down the front. Connected and grounded with what we call earth chi. Energy flowing up. Now you can start to feel like I'm connecting to, I don't know where you want to go with it. I go to heaven chi. Connecting to the heavens, or the wisdom from my higher perspective, pulling the energy up, circling it, getting healthy flow, and grounding. Okay? Bring your hands out to the side, bring your feet in. Watch that again. Transfer weight, transfer, pull them in. You close your session with 3 arm movements like this, just around your ribs. Open them out and ground. Collect all that wonderful energy around you. Invite the heaven chi. However that works for you. Just feeling my head connected to my heart and my body. Last time. So the 3 represent your body, your mind, and your heart, all realigned. And that is a very fast and powerful way to get out of the busy mind, to get out of feeling too top heavy. Bring yourself back into feeling grounded and connected, back into your body, back into your breath. It's so healthy for your energy system. We all have an energy system. It gets the chi flowing in the right direction. Train, practice, do it consistently. That's where the best benefits come from. I get that we're looking for quick life hacks and tips and tools, but try to find the ones that really work for you and that fit with your lifestyle to give you the transformations you're looking for. This, bar none, is one of the most powerful things that I've ever discovered for getting my energy back in flow and getting quickly out of my head and back into my heart. Use it well, enjoy it. Let me know how you like this. I got lots more awesome tips coming your way. Enjoy your beautiful day.